Say it then. I can. I can bounce on a trampoline. Yes. I can bounce on a trampoline. Okay?
I can play. I'm hungry.
Okay. So, hello.
Hello.
My name is Brian. I am 5 years old. I like ice cream. Okay? I can run. I am.
I am 5 years old.
I like.
I like pizza and ice cream.
I can.
I can eat.
I can eat. I can run. I can jump. I can skip. I can fall. I can bounce. What?
I can climb in the ladder.
I can climb up a ladder. Oh.
I can dig.
I can dig a hole. Okay?
I can listen.
I can listen to the teacher. Can it? No, you're not very good at that one. I can. I can bounce on a trampoline. Thank you for listening. Oh, okay. I am. I'm 5 years old. I like. I can. Oh, cake and ice cream too. And pizza. I can. Fly. Oh, okay, I can fly. Thank you for listening. I am. I like. I can. Skip. Ride a bike. I can. Which one? I can. Skip. Okay. Thank you for listening. I like. I can. Jump. Okay. Thank you for listening. I am. I like. I can. I can. I can ride a bike. Okay. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. Okay, young man. I am. I like burgers. Ooh. I can walk. Very good. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. Good. I am. How old are you? I am 5 years old. I like. What do you like? I like ice cream. I can. What can you do? You run fast. Thank you for listening. Okay, sit down. I like. Okay. I can skip. Oh, thank you for listening. Goodbye. Your name is. I am. I like. I can. Good job, well done. Very good. You want another go, do you? I am. I like. Ice cream. I can. I can run. Okay. Thank you for listening.